Hi everyone, John Kennedy here with a short tutorial on how you can use AI to help you quickly update your online calendar. Our departmental student forum and seminar series schedule just went out, and I'm going to show you how you can use Claude to quickly add all those events to your Outlook calendar. So I've signed up for a fresh account, fresh free account of Claude here. I've gone to claude.ai/new and signed up with my UA email address. And here is the screen after you answer a few questions that'll allow you to interact with Claude. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the folder where I saved the Star Physio schedule. I'm going to take that PDF file and just drop it in here for Claude to look at. I'm going to ask Claude, say, "Hi Claude, can you create an .ics file from this PDF?" Oh, great. So it can certainly help me. It's going to take some time, and it pops up in this window on the side that shows you what it's actually generating. So here's the beginning of that ICS file, and it's making it in real time right now. Once it's done, it's going to explain what it did to make this file and give you some instructions that you can use to turn that file into an ICS file and update your Outlook calendar. So here's the explanation on the side that it generates. So it says to use this file, go ahead and copy the content and paste it into a new text file, then save it with an ICS extension. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go to this folder. I'm going to right click, create a new text document, and I'm going to label it Physio Star Seminar Series. And I'm going to open that up. So there's my notepad. I'm going to click this copy contents button in the bottom right hand corner. Go to my text file, paste in the contents, and then go up to File, Save As, and add the .ics extension on that file. Okay, we're going to close this out now and move on over to Outlook. So here's Outlook. And when you open Outlook, you can do this in your internet browser, but I have the standalone app for Outlook open here. Looks exactly the same. When you open up your calendar, you're going to have a button that says Add Calendar. So you click on that, and this window pops up where you can upload from file. So if you click on this Upload from File, go to the folder where you save the .ics file. And here I see Physio Star Seminar Series iCalendar file. I'm going to take that, just pull it right over here and copy it in. I'm going to select the calendar that I want it in, my main calendar, and then import. It's going to take a few seconds. Great. So I'm going to close that out and see if it worked. I'm going to click on my calendar here to show the events. All right, great. So the first one is coming up this Friday, and I'll click on that. Star Physio, Kayla Espinoza, Physio Student Forum. It's got the time correct, it's got the location and the host information. And if I go on over to September, there we go. It's filled out all these events with the various speakers that are going to be coming to talk to us. And there we go. Just a few minutes, and you've added all those events to your calendar. I hope this was a useful tip for you and something that you can ease yourself into using AI to help speed up some tasks for you and be useful in, well, a lot of stuff.